Alright, guys. And Charlie. Just because I'm recording this with my phone doesn't mean I'm going to do a fish review. Might not be able to see anything out here, but we're going to shoot a firework into a tube. It's actually really funny. Alright. Blowtorch. Drop it in. Hopefully it doesn't just like shoot out on us while it's in there. Alright, this should be better. You should just shoot out of there. And yes, there is a flame coming out of the blowtorch. It's just really bright out here. Ah! It's coming this way! Oh my gosh. I got it on my phone. It's fine. Yes. Don't be a failure. It's a failure. Darn it. Do we got any more? There's actually a lot in there. Wow. Do you think we could just like set the actual fireworks on fire?
What do you mean?
Like just set the paper on them on fire. Oh yeah, last night a frog kept on chasing me around. I hated it. Like I was just showing him the blowtorch fire and it was like, I'm gonna eat you. And I was like, no, don't eat me. But rocks in my slipper. Luckily he's gone. So yeah, that's nice. End of the video. Like and subscribe. Goodbye.